How are you guys doing today? This video will show you how to successfully connect a Bluetooth phone to the Chevy MyLink system. This is the base system. I'll have it in the description what exact unit this is, but we're in a 2017 Chevy Trax LT currently. So on your smartphone device, make sure you're in the Bluetooth settings and make sure the car or ignition is running. Now where you want to go is the phone icon up here, or you can click the dedicated phone button down here on the hard buttons. So either one works. What you want to do is you want to search for device, and as long as your Bluetooth is on and you're in discover mode, that should work. You can see it pops up there. What you want to do is click it there, and now you're going to get prompted a code, and where you want to click it first is going to be on the phone. You click pair here, then you click it on the screen, and it's going to ask you if you want to allow contacts. You say yes, and it should render after a minute or two. On the phone now it says connected. On here it's doing its thing. There you go, Bluetooth device connected. And at the top you have all of your phone status, and eventually the contacts and call history will load through. But basically when you're on the phone screen, you have a dial pad over here where you can enter numbers. On the steering wheel itself you have a volume up, volume down button. This is a mute or end call. This is a pickup call. I believe on the models without voice recognition, this button will call the last person you dialed in your phone. And you can see now contacts and call history have popped up. So I'm going to click that, and you can see there are my recent calls with people that are in my contacts book, and you have outbound calls, you have inbound and outbound, and you have received and missed. So basically there's a lot of nice little touches, and you can scroll through the list there. Now to get to your Bluetooth audio, there's actually a shortcut up here where you can see the music icon. You click that and it will pull up the audio that's currently playing. Now where do you want to go is source. You click on Bluetooth, and basically whatever is playing on your phone will now come through. There's no way to pick stations with this system. You have to do it all on your phone, but whatever is playing will come through the speakers through the car. And again, the steering wheel controls, this will control song. So if I press up here, you can see it'll scroll through the list of songs here. And then this will do volume up, volume down, and these are dedicated for phone calls. Thanks for watching. Any questions, you can leave comments below, and I'll be doing these for a whole array of different vehicles, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Take care.